My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, divas? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time joining me, hello, my name is Natalie, and this is my channel, MUSIC2MAKEUP, where I do a whole bunch of shit. I do unboxings, I do tutorials, I do favorites, I do personal growth videos, I do hauls, try-on hauls. I buy a lot of shit and I show it to you guys. And yeah, today's video is going to be an unboxing of my Ipsy Plus for the month of July. So I'm not gonna ramble, let's get right into it. I mean, do I really need to tell you guys about Ipsy? I mean, like, whenever I watch unboxings, I'm like, yeah, I know the deal, thank you. Because in reality, most of the people that watch unboxings are people who do get Ipsy and they just want to see what other people got. So anyways, this month's theme is take a break, which I just did. I went on vacation for my birthday. Alright, so, but wait, I don't get, they really piss me off when they don't give me an information thing. But here is the bag. Oh, that's really cute. It's like a pastel purple and it has kind of like a Miami Vice type feel to it. It says Wanderlust. I like that. I guess I'm gonna have to pull up my Ipsy app. I peeked at my original glam bag, but I didn't peek at my Ipsy Plus, so I don't know what's in here. But the first product is this Nature's Cartel lip gloss. I like the packaging, you know, I like anything leopard. In static. Let's see. Ooh, it's like an iridescent white gloss. That would be such a good lip topper for so many different things, especially in the summer. Yes. It just, oh, completely transformed the look. I love it. Alright, let me find that. So it retails for $12. The next product is this Tula Skincare. My box is kind of beaten up. Protect and Glow Daily Sunscreen Gel Broad Spectrum. I mean, me of all people, yes, I do need to wear sunscreen, but number one, SPF 30 ain't enough for me. Number two, because I burn so easily, I have a tendency to stay out of the sun. So it's just an SPF. Okay. That'll be going in a giveaway. Let's see about this. There's just as much SPF in my foundation. Boo. And it retails for $36. Alright, the next product is this Tarte Surfer Curl Volumizing Mascara. In my opinion, Tarte has some super dope mascaras. Like, all their mascaras are quality. Here's what it looks like. I mean, the packaging, it's like basic, but it's still cute. That's very on brand with them. Nothing like too crazy. Okay. The brush, I mean, isn't anything innovative or spectacular, but we'll have to see how it works out. Let's see about this. Okay, so it's infused with vitamin E to condition your lash hairs, and it retails for $23. Alright, the next product is, okay, Salmon Vagine. It sounds like a name for vagina. Your vagine. I swear they call it that in like a movie or a TV show. I swear. Okay, Hydroactive Eye Cream. Your vagine. I swear somebody calls it that. And the brand, it's Duftendorf. Solomon, yeah, okay. It retails for $27. Alright, the silky texture hydrates and smooths your eye area for a youthful, dewy look. Okay, I like anything that says dewy. I'm on board with that now. And the next product is, this looks like Makeup Geek, but wait, I don't want to be wrong. No, it's not. It's, the brand is Il Maquillage Color Boss Multi-Dimensional Eye Color in Newsflash. Oh wait, I think it opens like, how does it open? Why is it so hard? And I'm an intelligent person. Oh, because it's taped. So it does open like that. What? Okay. I'm not the biggest fan of like single eyeshadows because I always forget to use them, but I really like this packaging, and that's a pretty color. Let's see what it looks like. That would be pretty to do like a brown smoky eye. It is really pretty, but I was gonna say, to be honest, I have colors like that already. I mean, and I kind of do. It is really pretty though. So I'm not sure if I will keep that or not, but let me read about it real quick. Okay, so this, oh, retails for $29. Wow. So we had 29. Ugh, I should have written the prices down. Damn. Okay, so the total retail value for my Ipsy Plus box was $127. So let me reflect. I'm excited about the mascara. I'm really excited about that lip gloss. Where did I go? Apparently I lost it already. I am excited to try out this eye cream because it says it was dewy, and I'm very intrigued about this eyeshadow. Oh, there's the lip gloss. The only thing I'm not so excited about is the sunscreen, but that's okay. I'll just put that in a giveaway, and we're Gucci. Alright guys, let me know what you think about my box, and let me know what you got in your Ipsy for the month of July. Alright guys, I love you.